Welcome to Lone Star Rails. You haven't heard me speak before because the trains are the star here, not me. However, this time I have too much to say to place in video with silent film panels. What I'm featuring this time is a small local railroad, the Texas Northern Railway, based right here in Lone Star, Texas. TNN provides rail car storage and repair, locomotive repair, and track repair services, and features 32 miles of storage capacity. In all, they have 42 miles of track and 1,300 storage spots. The Texas Northern Railway is a Class 3 switching carrier owned by Transtar, once a unit of the United States Steel Corp. Located in Monroeville, Pennsylvania. But in June 2021, U.S. Steel announced the sale of Transtar LLC to New York-based Fortress Transportation and Infrastructure Investors for $640 million. The TNN serves several metal and chemical customers on its 7-mile route and is also interchanges with the Canadian Pacific Kansas City Southern. Now, on September the 4th, 2025, I finally caught the elusive Texas Northern number 999 at a crossing on a farm-to-market road designated as FM 250 in my town of Lone Star, Texas. Now, this power is an EMD MP15DC, built in December of 1975, and it's teamed up with an ALCO yard slug. They'll be pulling 2 tank cars to the storage repair yard.